What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna give you another update on my general investing account. So as you guys see, my stocks and shares ISA, my other account took a massive hit because it had basically it was all in on Tesla, and Tesla has just been going down. But yesterday and today we see in like after hours trading, we see that Tesla has now rebounded slightly. So what does that mean for my portfolio? If you look at Tesla over the past day, has gone back up to 360. This includes the after hours. If you look at the past week, we can see that it's had a nice recovery since the low of 323. I wish I was buying there. I didn't have any spare change. Just got paid today, and that's when I bought. So I just buy whatever the price is when I get paid. If you look at the month, we're still down on the month, like 8.95%. But if we go in the 3 month, we're still up. So yeah, we got when you're worried about the stock price movements day to day, you have to step back and take a long term time horizon. And even in the past year, up 86.49%. So yeah, it's all about the long term game. Obviously, not financial advice. I don't recommend you do what I've done and just go all in on Tesla. But for me, like I just see the opportunity cost of not being in Tesla too high to not play this strategy. Obviously, there were better opportunities that I just didn't see than Tesla, like Palantir, for example, which just did a 10x or 15x depending on where you bought. I had a friend's dad who bought at 6, and it was like, yeah, he's buzzing. So yeah, unfortunately, I've just stayed all in the Tesla, which which I don't regret, to be honest, because I just see the future prospects of Tesla just being so bright if they can execute on all of their missions of full self-driving, robo taxis, and the Optimus robot. The Optimus robot will be big. Like if that can just replace workers in the factory and get their cost of goods down, because obviously the labor cost is the most expensive part about when it comes to manufacturing. If they can get that right down, that will be a game changer for margins, and you know that just completely just brings Tesla to the next level, and then they can start outsourcing those robots. So yeah, if they can execute that, that would be amazing, and that would be just a game changer for the stock. So if we go down to my holdings, currently have 93 shares of Tesla, valued at 26,690, 99.98 pounds. I'm up 42.9%, and so got up £8,000. So if I was to sell today, I would have to pay capital gains tax, because obviously that's above the £3,000 gain. Obviously, I'm not selling, so. And if I was to sell in the future, I would be selling it off within that free capital gains allowance. So I'm not looking to pay any tax on this investment. And if we go into, because obviously the last video you guys saw I was at 91 shares. If you go into my notifications, so I basically just bought 0.4 more shares a couple of days ago with the extra cash, and I put some more money in, and I've basically bought 2 more shares to get me up to 93. Obviously, my goal for this account is to get to 100, just a nice round number. So if I do the extra 7, I need about £2,000 left, which I should do within the next month. So my current plan for this is to get this up to 100 shares, which will probably be about 3 weeks before the new tax year. And after 100 shares, I'm just going to be stockpiling money, so when the new tax year hits, I can just go instantly back into my stocks and shares ISA and have a nice 400 shares, and then get up to 400 shares in that, and have 100 shares in this account. And that's going to kind of be where I'm aiming to get to when it comes to getting to my 500 share goal. And then after I hit that, get up to 400 shares in my my ISA, then I'm looking to get into other stuff after that. I've had a lot of you comment like diversify, and you guys aren't the only one, because a lot of my family have been telling me to diversify. But the reason why I haven't diversified yet is because if I buy Tesla now, and then it goes up to 400, and then I sell, take some profits and diversify, if I still buy shares at 400, even like after selling shares, then like I don't see the point, and it'll be even worse if I sold shares at 400 and then I was still buying at 600. So I want to get to a level of Tesla shares that I'll be happy if I didn't buy any more, because I don't want to sell at 400 and then buy more at 600. So yeah, I'm just stockpiling on Tesla, getting to a level where I'm happy with, so I don't need to buy any more shares. And for me, that's about 500. Obviously, I'm not saying I won't buy more, because if it stays in this like 300, if it even goes into the $200 range, it'll just be such a good buy, in my opinion, that it's just like too good to miss up on. So yeah, that's my current thoughts about my current portfolio on Tesla, my ISA, my plans going into the just before the new tax year, and even going out the tax year after. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with any people that might enjoy it. I try and reply to most of the comments, so if you guys want to comment down below what you're thinking, please let me know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.